We are going to be inserting a cover page, a blank page, and also a manual page break. So you want to make sure your insertion mark is at the top, so you're going to press Control and Home. And we're going to go into the Insert ribbon, and we're going to click on the arrow next to Cover Page. And this shows you the different cover pages that are associated with the design theme that we have selected. And we are going to do a pre-formatted cover page. It's kind of like a cover page template. And what we want is motion. So we're going to go ahead and pick that one. And then you'll notice that it inserted a new page 1. And there are placeholders here. So we're going to click in year and we're going to type the current year. We're going to click in the document title placeholder and we're going to key in Discover Thailand. And then we're going to come down to where student name is, and you can put in your name. Let me highlight all that. And then for company name, it is First Choice Travel. And then you should have the current date below. This is not the current date. So I am going to change this. And you will be putting the current date in your placeholder. And an option here would have been to click on that and select from the list or just hit today. Either way. What we want to do next to the document is add a blank page to the end. So we're going to press Control and End, E-N-D. That takes us all the way to the bottom. And I'm going to press Enter just to separate from that previous paragraph. And I'm going to press a button here to get a blank page. So you'll notice up here on the Insert ribbon, we have a blank page button, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, and that has given us a blank page for the end. And basically, you could have manually done this by pressing Control and Enter. Here, I'll delete this and show you. So what they just did with blank page, okay, if you press Control and Enter, it does the same thing. Okay, multiple ways of doing everything. We are going to move the insertion point to the beginning of the entertainment heading. And they would like us to insert a page break here. And you can click the page break button, or you can press Control and the Enter key. Okay, Control and Enter or Return will also put in that manual page break. And we're going to save. And of course, they want us to delete this now. So in order to delete it, you do need to show hidden characters, and I have show hide on. Okay, so when it's off, you cannot see that there is a manual page break there. So if you click on that and turn it on, you can see it. And then you're going to click at the beginning, so right before that page break, and you're going to press the delete key. And then we'll delete one more time to get rid of that extra blank line that was put in there. And then we're going to, I'm going to go down. They would like us to delete this one as well. So we're going to click at the beginning and we'll press delete a couple times. And at this point, we're going to turn show hide off and save our changes.